Hello everyone. So today I will show you how to fix screen recording not working in iPhone problem. So for this, the first fix is to check screen time settings. Go to settings. Now after reaching settings, scroll down and tap on screen time. Now scroll down and find content and privacy restriction and turn it off. Simply turn it off. Now the second fix is to verify content and privacy restriction. Now go to content and privacy restriction. Now after reaching content and privacy restriction, scroll down to find screen recording in store web Siri. First tap on it. Now scroll down, you'll find this screen recording option and make sure it is set to allow. It is not set to don't allow. Now the third fix is to check control center. Scroll down the control center, see if the screen recording button is there or not. If it is not there, then go to control center and add screen recording to include in controls. How you can do? Simply go to settings and from here tap on control center. Now tap on add. You'll get the option here. For example, I want to remove code scanner and I want to add screen recording. Tap on minus and tap on plus and it will get add in control center. The fourth option is to configure screen recording settings. Now scroll down and long press on screen recording and make sure that the app used for screen recording is Photos, not any other app. And also you can turn on or turn off microphone from there. Start and stop recording to see the changes. That's it. Thanks for watching.